This video, I'm going to show you how you can disable looping on your YouTube videos using your smartphone. So if you had enabled video loop, that is video playing continuously, then you can go ahead and put an end to this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so what you need to do is to go ahead and open your YouTube app, and then from this, just go ahead and open any video. For my case, I'll just tap on this video. Because the loop is on for all the videos, so just tap on any video. Now head over to the gear button here, which is settings, and then tap on more on your smartphone, and you'll see the loop function is currently toggled on. To turn this off, go ahead and toggle it back, and you can see loop is off. From now henceforth, your videos will no longer restart afresh whenever they get to the end. So that's how you can disable loop on YouTube videos on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.